Looking for smart home upgrades? These Amazon finds are practical, space-saving, and designed to make everyday life easier. You'll find links to every product in the description below. Let's get started. Number 1, Babepai Outlet Covers. Keep your home safer in seconds. These easy-to-install outlet covers help protect little ones from exposed electrical outlets while blending seamlessly with your walls. It's a simple, affordable upgrade that adds peace of mind to any home, especially for families with young children. Number 2, HOOBRO Tilt-Out Trash Cabinet. Hide your trash can in style while keeping your kitchen looking clean and organized. This cabinet conceals your trash bin, helps reduce odors, and adds extra countertop space for storage or decor. It's a smart upgrade that combines function with a modern look. Number 3, WARMDERN Boho Duvet Cover Set. Give your bedroom an instant refresh without replacing your comforter. This soft, stylish duvet cover adds a cozy feel and a modern boho look while helping protect your comforter from everyday wear. It's an easy way to upgrade your bedroom for less. All products links are in the description below. Number 4, Voipvvii Folding Hand Truck. Move heavy boxes and bulky items with ease. This lightweight, foldable hand truck opens in seconds and folds flat for easy storage. Perfect for groceries, moving, deliveries, or everyday hauling, it's a practical tool you'll be glad to have on hand. Number 5, Glocusent Stand Light. Brighten up your workspace with adjustable, glare-free lighting. This versatile stand light is perfect for reading, crafting, studying, or working from home. With adjustable brightness and color settings, you can create the perfect lighting for any task while reducing eye strain. All products links are in the description below. Number 6, Lifewit Mop and Broom Holder Wall Mount. Keep your cleaning tools off the floor and neatly organized. This wall-mounted holder securely grips mops, brooms, and other cleaning essentials, helping you save space and reduce clutter. It's easy to install and a simple way to keep your laundry room, garage, or utility closet organized. Number 7, HOJINLINERO Round Lift Top Coffee Table. Get more out of your living room with this stylish lift-top coffee table. The tabletop lifts up to create a comfortable workspace or dining surface, while the hidden storage compartment keeps blankets, remotes, books, and everyday essentials neatly tucked away. It's the perfect blend of style, function, and smart storage. Number 8, combocube Comforter Storage Bag. Store bulky comforters, blankets, and seasonal bedding without taking up extra closet space. This spacious storage bag keeps everything clean, organized, and protected from dust. With sturdy handles and a clear viewing window, it's easy to store, carry, and quickly find what you need. All products links are in the description below. Number 9, Easygoing Reversible Couch Cover. Give your couch a fresh new look while protecting it from spills, pet hair, and everyday wear. This reversible cover is soft, durable, and easy to put on, making it a simple way to keep your furniture looking clean and extend its life. All products links are in the description below. Number 10, Xabitat Wall-Mounted Ironing Board. Save valuable space without giving up convenience. This wall-mounted ironing board folds down when you need it and folds neatly away when you're done. It's perfect for apartments, laundry rooms, or anyone looking to maximize space while keeping ironing quick and easy. All products links are in the description below. Number 11, the FLEXISPOT Overbed Table, a versatile overbed desk designed to make everyday life more comfortable. Whether you're working from home, studying, enjoying breakfast in bed, or streaming your favorite shows, this table gives you a stable and spacious work surface. The height-adjustable design and smooth rolling casters make it easy to position exactly where you need it, making it a great addition to any bedroom or home office. Number 12, the Fokyfok Underbed Storage Container, a smart way to turn unused space into valuable storage. It's perfect for storing seasonal clothing, shoes, blankets, comforters, and other household essentials while keeping them clean and out of sight. The sturdy design and easy glide construction make it simple to slide in and out, helping you keep your home organized without taking up extra space. Number 13, the Godboat Toilet Storage Shelf, a budget-friendly way to add extra storage to your bathroom. It fits neatly over the toilet, giving you convenient space for toilet paper, towels, toiletries, plants, and decorative accents without using additional floor space. Its compact design helps keep your bathroom organized while making the most of every inch. Number 14, the Lifelongpal Narrow Storage Cabinet, a slim storage solution that's perfect for tight spaces. It fits easily between appliances, beside cabinets, or in narrow corners, giving you extra room for toiletries, cleaning supplies, pantry items, and everyday essentials. The pull-out design makes everything easy to access while helping keep your home neat, organized, and clutter-free. All products links are in the description below. Number 15, the JEKO&JEKO Storage Cabinet, a stylish storage solution that helps keep your home organized without sacrificing space. It's perfect for storing everyday essentials while adding a clean, modern look to any room. If you enjoyed these Amazon finds, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more must-have Amazon finds.